The balcony cabins on Ruby Princess are dated and a little smaller than average, but they're functional, with a large walk-in closet, comfortable beds, and a large TV with a great selection of free on-demand movies and TV shows. Our cabin on Riviera Deck was below a public area, so we could hear screeching deck chairs starting very early every morning. Stay tuned for a full tour with some tips on how to avoid noisy cabins. Hey cruisers, welcome to my tour of a regular balcony cabin on Ruby Princess. I was in cabin R509, located right by the midship elevators on deck 14, which ended up being a problem that I'll get into a little later. Thanks to your medallion, the door unlocks automatically as you approach the cabin. To your left is the standard Princess walk-in closet with tons of space to hang your clothes, and an enclosed closet with a small safe and several shelves. The bathroom's a good size. There are 3 shelves above the sink and 1 below. The shower is also a decent size with body wash and conditioning shampoo. There's also hand soap and lotion by the sink. The bedroom and living area is a nice size with a very plush and comfortable queen bed that can be split into twins. There's a large flat screen TV that offers a great selection of free movies and TV shows on demand. Each bedside table has a lamp, a shelf, and 2 drawers, but unfortunately no plugs or USB outlets. It's worth noting that there aren't any USB outlets in the cabin. There's a nice sized desk with 2 American outlets and a wall-mounted hairdryer. Under the desk is a storage cupboard. Opposite the desk is a minibar area with another American outlet. Below the counter is the mini fridge, which is empty by default unless you're in the elite tier of Princess's loyalty program, qualify for the complimentary minibar setup. The balcony is a nice size with 2 chairs, each with its own footstool, which I thought was a nice touch. We were initially very happy with our cabin, but after a few minutes we started hearing screeching deck chairs from the Lido deck above. The noises started at around 5 a.m. every morning and continued early into the evening. If you're sensitive to noise, I would definitely not recommend this particular cabin or any cabin that's underneath a public area on the Lido deck. This experience actually inspired me to do a video all about how to avoid noisy cabins and what to do if you end up with one. Luckily, guest services was able to move us to a premium balcony cabin on a lower deck that was identical on the inside, but the balcony was twice as deep. If you're curious what it's like to cruise on Ruby Princess, you can find my full review here. Thank you for watching, and happy cruising.